Well, time to eat. Celebrated as the holiest day in the Jewish calendar, Yom Kippur is also known as the Day of Atonement. It lasts 25 hours. It traditionally involves abstaining from food and drinks, wearing leather shoes and even bathing. Now, at the end of the holiday, family and friends sit down to share a meal together. So here to whip up a post-fast dish are the ladies from the Monday Morning Cooking Club. We've got Lisa and Natanya. Hi, girls.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, so this is to break the fast.
Yes.
What are we making?
It is a beautiful green fresh salad. So we're going to have chopped herbs. We've got chopped continental parsley, chopped fresh mint and rocket leaves that have also been chopped. Quinoa, which we cook just like pasta in a big pot of salted boiling water, some chilli for colour and spice, and onion, which we've pickled. See the before and after? This is before.
So using red onion?
Red onion and lemon juice and olive oil. And so start that before you start your salad prep, and by the time you've finished your salad, it's ready to put on.
And with the quinoa and the salmon, that'll be light but still filling enough, won't it?
Yeah,
that you'll feel satisfied after that. Now, Yom Kippur, expand on it a little bit more. We mentioned some of the things that happen. What actually takes place during Yom Kippur?
Well, as far as food goes, nothing. You fast for the 25 hours, and people like to prepare their huge feast for afterwards before you start feast. You don't want to be fasting and cooking at the same time. So that's why this is a perfect dish, because it's all do ahead. Great for this time of year anyway.
Okay. And for non-Jewish people, this is just a great summer spring salad.
It is brilliant. It is brilliant. What's good about it is that you can really do it ahead. Like, we often make this for Friday night for the family. There's lots left over, and you can eat it all weekend because it just stays great.
So this is the dressing that goes on the quinoa herb salad. It's olive oil, a good quality one, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a little bit of sumac, which is a Middle Eastern lemony spice.
Yeah, let's dress the salad.
That's going to go
so
in
we're going to put it on, and what I always like to do is use a bowl that's bigger than your serving bowl to mix it in, rather than mixing it in your serving bowl. It just makes it a bit less messy. So now we're going to toss this through, just like that. Then that's going to go into the serving bowl.
Smells amazing. Now, with quinoa, this has become a really popular, I guess, grain in the last sort of 10 years, hasn't it? How do you actually get it from that to what we're seeing here, which is kind of that softer style?
The cooked.
Yeah, you just cook it like you would pasta. Like, it's quite easy to do.
And but I mean, can you overcook it, or how does it?
You can a bit, but like everything, taste as you go along. So 10 minutes boiling is about right, and then just have a taste of the quinoa. If it's firm to the bite, then it's ready. Drain it, rinse it in cold water, let it sit.
Or you can also now buy it pre-made in packets. Yes, it's amazing.
Really?
Have you tried it?
Well, you really have no time, but it really takes very little time just to cook it.
It takes 90 seconds.
Okay, so we've got the salmon. So lovely fresh salmon fillets, which we cover in a bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. We use a char grill pan for this. You can use a barbecue, you can use a fry pan. And this is just a few minutes on each side. And then got to use your hands for this because it's just the best thing. I just take the salmon like this and break it up and put it over all over your salad.
How easy.
And we like it sort of quite rare, so this is perhaps very rare. But it's lovely to see that translucent salmon in the middle.
Beautiful.
That's it.
Larry's away, but he's designated me with tasting duties today.
Just to top it off.
Dressing, because it's very easy.
And then we're going to put the dressing.
This is just to finish it off. We like to spoon over the tahini yogurt dressing, which is just Greek-style unsweetened yogurt, tahini paste, lemon juice, and some salt.
And they'll really make the difference.
You can make this days ahead, leave it in your fridge, and use it for any salad.
You've got to try. Beautiful.
And
amazing.
And I'm going to garnish with a bit more onion, and we're going to garnish with the sumac, which is just lovely.
There you have it. What do you call this? Rissoles? No, what is it?
This is barbecue salmon with herb quinoa salad.
Beautiful. I feel like I've been fasting during the segment. Thank you so much to Lisa and Natanya. If you'd like to have a look at these recipes, you can have a look at our website. We will have it for you. And there's plenty more in the Monday Morning Cooking Club's book. It's called It's Always About the Food.
So flavourful. Delicious.
Yeah, it's a beautiful one.
Thanks ladies.
Thank
in just a moment, the best way to earn money from your bed, and it may not be what you think.